So this is urban New Orleans. And I think we're going to walk to Cafe du Monde. Amy's getting some gentleman her book.
Well, we expect you to give us your watch now.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye. You gave him your book?
I'm not carrying it.
Hello, we are in the city of Germany. Everything is German here.
Including Mindy.
Exactly. Du bist ein Wichsbosch.
Ana? Oh, yeah.
Yes, one of the few phrases I've ever learned in German is Du bist ein Wichsbosch, which means you're a fraud masturbator.
A fraud masturbator?
Yes.
Maybe it's that.
And I'm not sure.
I've been known to do that.
Yeah, I've once done
Fraudulently masturbate.
It's awkward.
The only thing I know how to say in German is Spiegel, Spiegel an der Wand, wo ist der schönes Schwanz im Land? Which means mirror, mirror on the wall, where is the cutest dick in the land? Or
Nice.
or whatever.
Where's the cutest
Dick of all, I don't know why.
Everything in German sounds like kill the Jews, kill the Jews. But, I mean, maybe that's...
I'm recording this, by the way.
Excellent. Excellent.
This will be on the internet.
The interwebs?
Yeah,
On the Googles,
and
the
once I tweet about it, everyone's gonna know that you're against my homeland of Germany.
I know. I knew you were a twatter.
Get some of that art.
I do love the art.
Art in quotation marks. No, this is real art.
Let's take a look at the art.
Zydeco.
I have to say that in fair weather.
That dog.
Oh, look at that. It's a dag.
Look at that bag.
All right, here's some art.
This is cool stuff. Love it.
She was obsessed that day, talking about sacred dances, blah blah blah. She said she just loves the smell of puppies. Where are they? A bird? Let me see.
Hello. There's a bird. There's a bird.
Please don't do that.